I'm Diane in New York at NAREIT's REIT Week, our 2019 investor conference. I'm here with Drew Alexander, President and CEO of Weingarten Realty. How are you, Drew?
I'm wonderful, thank you.
Weingarten has been busy repositioning its portfolio and reducing its exposure to weaker retail tenants. Do you feel there's still work to be done on that front?
I think it's one of those things that retail is ever changing. Concepts always change. And I think in order to be a professional company, you have to constantly adapt. So we always look at demos, we look at how locations change, and we're very sensitive to retail format. So we sold some $600 million in 2018. We think 2019 will be significantly less than that. The midpoint of our guidance is about $300 million. But we always look for ways to improve shareholder value, and sometimes selling properties, especially when they're at the bottom of NAV, at the bottom of our quality rankings at about NAV, is the right long-term thing.
And can you talk about the potential you see from development and redevelopment opportunities across the portfolio? So
we're looking at a couple of development opportunities, some projects we're really excited about in the Washington, D.C. area, but we're seeing a lot more redevelopment opportunities. We've started a high-rise residential apartment projects at our River Oaks Center in Houston. It's about a $150 million investment. River Oaks is probably the third oldest shopping center, anywhere in the world, and we can see, not only this tower, but 4 more over an extended period of time. It's a great opportunity to densify a wonderful asset. So we look at complicated things like that, as well as simple additional floater buildings and repositionings, but redevelopment is a very big part of our growth plan and something that we see a lot of potential in the future.
Are you coming across any acquisition opportunities that appeal to you? And what level of competition are you seeing?
We've been active in the acquisition world since we went public, or truly public, in 1985. It's always been competitive for good quality things. In 2018, we really didn't do very much, hardly anything. We've already bought 1 center this year, a wonderful supermarket anchored center in Phoenix, and have a couple of other things working. So we are seeing a little bit more. It's very competitive. One of the strategic advantages I think we have is we're only focused on about 24 markets, and we've got boots on the ground there, great local expertise, and we can offer people a certain certainty of close and a very professional response. So it's competitive, but we think we have a nice competitive advantage.
Drew, thank you so much.
My pleasure.
For more on NAREIT's REIT Week, visit REIT.com.